Bottom's been installed. Pilot hole has been drilled only through the bottom. I'm going to use that pilot hole there, again inside diameter of the threads of the screw, and that's going to guide me to getting to the back. I'm going to drill a screw into that place, but not before I elongate this hole here and here to make it so that the expansion happens. Words or a reminder about how much expansion to expect. For every 8 inches of width of this material, it's a good idea to consider about 1/8 of an inch of movement. So I don't need a lot of an expansion hole here, but I do need something. If I don't, this thing is going to start to swell in the summer. Regardless of where it's at, it will start to pull this back out of position and it starts to throw everything off. So open this thing up, put 1 screw in it, then I'm done. If this was a larger drawer, maybe it's 2 screws, but for a drawer this size, I always have to have 1, and that's where I want it. Alright, good luck with drawer making.